Hi, I'm Bar.
And I'm Hannah.
In 2014, I ran a successful Kickstarter campaign for the Mech Plaza CNC. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to our new project, Maslow. Maslow is a 4x8 foot CNC cutting machine designed to change the way we build everything, from art projects to houses. And it's cheap. You can get one now for under $500.
Maslow lets you print the things you can find around you that are made from wood. This could be anything from furniture to the world's coolest treehouse to rebuilding after a natural disaster.
We wanted to create a game-changing tool, which allows people from around the world to digitally collaborate to make amazing things. We wanted to create a tool which was cheap, easy to use, inclusive, and powerful. Basically, we want to help you build cool stuff. To make that possible, we knew we had to make a machine which worked with materials in their native 4x8 form without taking up your entire garage or workshop.
It needed to be affordable, both to purchase and to ship.
It had to be easy to assemble, with no soldering, no programming, and no fancy tools.
It needed to be just as accurate as a person using power tools, even when cutting complex shapes.
Our solution? Maslow.
Maslow uses gear-reduced DC motors with encoders and a closed-loop feedback system to achieve high accuracy and high torque. More details for nerds can be found below.
Maslow stands only 19 inches out from your garage or shop wall, leaving plenty of space to park a car.
Maslow comes as an easy-to-assemble kit, which includes every piece of hardware you need except for 2 bricks, 2 sheets of plywood, and 3 2x4s. We couldn't get those to fit in the box. Also, if you don't already own one, you'll need to purchase a fixed-base router.
Maslow can be put together in a weekend, using only a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a handsaw. Maslow connects to your Mac, Windows, or Linux computer using a standard USB port.
Excited for your first project? Pledge now to reserve your Maslow CNC. Can't believe it? Read and learn tons more about the project below.
Building things digitally is the future, and we believe it should be for everyone. This is an important technology, and we're making the choice not to patent it. All of our designs, PCB layouts, firmware, and software are available for free right now on our website to anyone in the world. When you design something to print, whether it's a kayak, a tiny house, or a light aircraft, we encourage you to do the same and share your digital files so anyone can benefit.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot.